Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Greymon from the show Digimon. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right up here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and that's just going to kind of curve up like this. Next, you want to take a line that just kind of curves down, and that's going to come up like this just to kind of form the eyeball. Now, I'm going to make a little circle, kind of like a half circle at the top, and then like a half circle at the bottom. And then I'm going to make two little parentheses in here and then color them in for the pupil. I want those two little kind of white circles on the top and bottom of that. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down for the eyebrow. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down for the top of the head. And then a little line right here that's just going to kind of curve up and down for the other little eyebrow. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves right to there. And then he's going to have a really big horn. So starting right here, you want to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up really high. It's going to come to a point, and it's going to come back, get a little bit fatter at the end, and then just kind of curve around. Now, kind of lined up right here, I'm just going to jump over this, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve up and down like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of go up, and then down again. Then I'm going to take this line and kind of bring it back up here. And then starting here, I'm going to make another one that goes out and then comes back up. And then one more that goes out and comes right to there. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves out. It's going to go up at an angle. Then it's going to come up at a point and then come back down for like a big horn. Then we're just going to take this all the way back to here. Then same thing over here. Let's just draw it right to that kind of little like rhinoceros horn. Kind of make it come out, come to a point, go back down, and then just kind of jump over and come back. Now, Greymon's going to have a lot of sharp teeth, so I'm going to add some kind of little triangle, or excuse me, little V shapes kind of around here just for some teeth. Then I want him to have his mouth open. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve around, and that's just going to curve back up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of draw a little line that curves around. And then I'm just going to make a line that kind of goes up, and we're just going to curve it up here for his jaw. Then you just want to add some little teeth in here, some little triangles, and some little spots right around here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then right here, we're going to make a little curved line for his tongue, and then just another little line down there. Then we're going to add a little line right here for his neck. And then starting here, we're going to draw his chest. So you just want to make a line that goes down, up, and then kind of up and down again. I'm going to draw a little curved line right here for his stomach. And then I want to add his legs. So right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to come down like this. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and go over. Then I'm going to put a little bump here, and then I'm going to draw a big line that goes down and comes back for one of the claws. Then right here, I'm going to make another line, little bump, and then just kind of like a curved line down for the claw. And then over here, I'm going to put a little bump and then a line that goes down and comes back for the claw. Then I'm just going to make this line kind of go straight across, and that's just going to go up and then right back here. And then you just want to add these little curved lines on here for the claws of the toe, or the little toenails. And I'm just going to add a little line right here. Now for this one, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of goes down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up, kind of like a little letter J. Or a little backwards letter J. Then starting here, just draw a line that goes down. I'm going to make a line that kind of curves down and comes over. One right here, and then we'll make one that goes down and then kind of curves up. Little line that goes up and over. And then a little line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. Then we'll just add some little curved lines onto the feet for the little toenails. Now, starting here, we want to add the arms. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and go down like this. And then I'm just going to make another one that goes down here. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down, and I'm going to bring this one down a little more. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down, and that's going to kind of curve around like this. I'm going to make one that just kind of curves down, and that's going to come back like this for another claw. And then one more that does the same thing, kind of curves around like this. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right here, then connect the arm. Then you just want to add some little curved lines for the claws. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. One that goes over like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves up and down. One right here that kind of goes down and comes back. And then one right here that's going to kind of curve out, and it's going to kind of curve around for like the thumb. Then just take this line and bring it right back. Then I'm going to add some little curved lines onto here. Now over here we want to make the tail. So to draw the tail, I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to go over. Then it's going to come to a point, and as it gets closer to the body, you want it to get wider and wider. So really skinny down here, and then wider over here. Now, we just want to add a few details onto here. So the first thing, I'm just going to add this line, make it a little bit more curved right there. And then on the horns here, I'm going to add a couple little lines on each one. A couple more here, and then one right there. Now I'm going to add a couple little stripes on the back of the neck. And then he's going to have some stripes on his jaw. So we're going to put like 3 little stripes here. I'm going to put a little wavy one that goes on his arm and onto his chest. And then one over here too. I'm going to draw one over here. And then one right there. One here. And we'll make another one just kind of pop out there and then just go right down to here. You want to put a couple on his legs, so a couple there, and then we'll add a couple right onto here. And then he's going to have a few of them on his tail, so we're just going to put a few on his tail. Just like this, some come up from the bottom, some go straight across, kind of like a little pattern. Another one at the bottom, and then one kind of straight across. And there you go, there is your drawing of Greymon from Digimon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.